In this video, we have been given that angle BAD is 90 degrees. Angle BCD is 90 degrees. AP is perpendicular on CD and AB is equal to AD and AP is 5. Then we have to find area of ABCD. So the first method, suppose this area is A1 and this area is A2, then area of ABCD, it will be A1 plus A2, and if we extend CB and from point A, if we make a perpendicular on CB, suppose this point is M, then if this angle is alpha, then we have angle BAD is 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus alpha, and in MAPC, it is MAPC. These three angles are 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be also 90 degrees, and angle PAB, it is 90 degrees minus alpha. So this angle, it will be alpha. This angle, it will be alpha, and now in triangle MAB and triangle PAD, we have angle AMB is equal to angle APD, that is 90 degrees, and angle MAB is equal to angle PAD, that is alpha, and AB is equal to AD. So triangle MAB, it will be congruent to triangle PAD. Hence MA, it will be equal to PA, and PA is 5. So MA, it will be also 5, and area of MAB, it will be equal to area of PAD, and area of PAD is A2. So this area it will be also A2, and now area of MAPC, it will be MA times AP, and area of MAPC, it is A1 plus A2, it is A1 plus A2, it is equal to MA is 5 times AP is 5. So A1 plus A2, it is 25, and area of ABCD, it is A1 plus A2, and A1 plus A2 is 25, and the second method, we have AP is 5, AP is 5, and from point B, if we make a perpendicular on AP, suppose this point is M, and suppose AM is X, then PM, it will be AP minus AM, and AP is 5 minus AM is X. So PM, it is 5 minus X, and if this angle is alpha, then this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus alpha. So this angle, it will be again alpha, and in triangle ABM and triangle DAP, we have angle AMB is equal to angle DPA, that is 90 degrees, and angle ABM is equal to angle DAP, that is alpha, and AB is equal to DA. So triangle ABM, it will be congruent to triangle DAP. Hence AM, it will be equal to DP, and AM is X. So DP, it will be also X, and BM, it will be equal to AP, and AP is X plus 5 minus X, that will be 5. So BM, it will be 5, and now area of ABCD, it will be area of ABM plus area of APD plus area of BMPC and area of ABM, it will be 1/2 times base is BM and height is AM plus area of APD, it will be 1/2 times base is PD and height is AP plus area of BMPC, it will be BM times MP and it is 1/2 times BM is 5 and AM is X plus 1/2 times PD is X and AP is 5 plus BM is 5 and MP is 5 minus X and it is 5x/2 plus 5x/2 plus 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times minus x is minus 5x and it is 5x plus 25 minus 5x and 5x will get cancelled, so it is 25. It is 25.